Whenever I work for a couple of hours by myself, I feel rushed and anxious for no reason. I think I just need to get out of this house and take a breath. So let's do that. Let's slow down and take a walk with me. But I gotta drink my tea first. Still so hot. Much better.
I felt the air flow through me, clearing my lungs along with the stress from writer's block. Even if I only have 10 minutes for this walk, I already felt better. And when that first ray of sunlight hit me, tenseness in my mind and muscles melted away. I also love the sounds of this place. I find it comforting to know that the world around me is still alive. This house always has bird feed in their driveway. It's become a party place for them. Fascinating, isn't it? Even though it could get quite chaotic sometimes. Alright, I'll get out of here. As an artist, I'm always looking to be inspired. But guess what? Inspiration could be closer to us than we think. Inspiration might even be on a tree. When I was young, I could stare at ants for hours. I was curious, and I gave them grains of rice to see if they would carry it back. My mind would be filled with questions and storylines. What were they talking about? Did they have families down there? Do they like their jobs? There's something quite magical about letting your mind wander freely and just imagine. It was very fun and allowed me to learn a lot of things and allowed me to kind of be free and creative. And as an adult now, it's so easy to be bogged down by all your responsibilities and anxieties, how you should live, what you should do every day, that it's easy to forget about the rest of the world. So sometimes slowing down every now and then and taking a look at the world from a childlike perspective can be quite healing and fun. It's always lively in different ways, but inspiring all the same. What they be getting up to? Damn it. I don't think they understood me. Shoot, it's been 20 minutes already. I gotta finish this draft before my dinner tonight. Despite this being a short walk, I always find myself taken by the magic of my surroundings. And this magic is something you can't get sitting in front of a computer screen. Alright, thank you for walking with me. I gotta head back to work now, but hope to see you again in another video. Alright, bye-bye.